In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable split screen on all Android phones. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So to enable split screen, you want to open more than one application. So for example, let's open our Facebook application and let's go back and let's also open our YouTube. So to enable split screen, let's just tap on this button to see all of our applications that are open. From here, just tap on the icon of the app that you're currently using. So right here, YouTube, you just want to tap on its icon and you will see this menu. From here, let's just tap on open in split screen view. Now in the bottom screen, let's just select the app that we want to open to. So let's tap on Facebook. So as you can see now, both YouTube and Facebook is now open in split screen view. In order to exit split screen view, just want to tap on back and it cancels this split screen view. So if you don't have this feature on your Android phone, what you want to do is to just go to Play Store and search for split screen. And you will see a bunch of different apps here that will enable split screen to your Android phones. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.